Today we are going to make a Thebu leaf sambol. Crape ginger is a herbal plant which grows in Sri Lanka, India and Indonesia. In Sri Lanka, it is called Thebu. In Sri Lanka, we can find this plant at the hedge of gardens, borders of paddy fields or forest borders in shady places. It is a popular leaf vegetable in Sri Lanka. It is very famous among the diabetic patients as it can control the sugar level. Let's make a Thebu leaf sambol.
So we have to pluck the tender leaves of these plants. Then we have to wash and keep them to water removes from them. We need several green chilies, some shallots, pepper, scraped coconuts, salt and lime. If you like, you can add small pieces of moldy fish too. First we are chopping Thebu leaves into very small pieces. Shallots are also chopped in this way. Then add all the things together. After adding all the things together, mix them well. After mixing them, add some lime juice. Now the Thebu leaf sambol is ready for consumption. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Sri Lankan Home Chef channel for more traditional and homemade foods. Share this video if you find this